Hello and welcome to Wheelchair Vans Inc. Today I'll be going over a 2011 Toyota Sienna equipped with the Freedom Motors rear entry power ramp. To operate the ramp, you will use this remote here. This is going to open up the lift gate and bring down the ramp. Let's go ahead and check out the setup. So this ramp here is going to be 30 inches wide. Entrance height from the floor to the top of the door is going to be 55.5 inches. As we make our way inside, this one is going to have the bench seat that folds out of the way, which will fit an additional 2 passengers. And in the middle, you will have captain's chairs. And then of course you have the driver and passenger. To bring the ramp back in, you will use your key fob once again to hit the same button like so. This is going to bring in the ramp and close the lift gate. We also offer financing on all types of credit. You can do personal or business loans. On top of that, we do have a promotion for free nationwide shipping, but if you decide to pick up at our location, we can offer you $1,000 off or a free 1-year warranty. For more information, please visit our website, 949vans.com. All of our vehicles will go through a 240-point inspection where we check out the engine, transmission, brakes, and tires. We also service the fluids and of course service the wheelchair ramp. If you guys have any additional questions, please feel free to reach out to our sales team at 949-664-1146. Thank you. Let's go ahead and start up the van. So this van here has 87,000 miles. You'll also have a backup camera. And here is the view of the front. And here is the view of the back. Let's go ahead and listen to the engine.